Is climate change really happening? The answer, unequivocally, is yes. But the challenge lies not in proving its existence, but in making everyone realize its urgency and immediacy. We often react to immediate threats, the ones that stare us right in the face. However, the creeping menace of climate change might seem slow, almost imperceptible, and its consequences, far off in the distant future. Yet, the reality is far different. Let's remind ourselves of some stark realities. Average global temperatures have already risen by 0.83 degrees Celsius, and CO2 levels have almost doubled since pre-industrial times. This isn't a distant threat, it's happening now. We're edging closer to the brink, where the devastating effects of climate change will be undeniable and unavoidable. Strong indicators of climate change are already visible worldwide. This is no longer a debate. Climate change is happening, and its repercussions are being felt globally. Here are some of the natural warnings that signal a critical disturbance in our ecological balance. Sea levels are rising. This is due to the melting of glacier ice and the expansion of warmer seawater. Since 1900, global mean sea levels have risen by about 21 centimeters, 8.3 inches. Projections suggest this rise could reach as much as 59 centimeters, 23 inches, by the end of the 21st century, posing a significant threat to coastal communities, wetlands, and coral reefs. Sea ice is melting at an alarming rate, which could alter ocean circulation processes. Today, the thickness of sea ice in the summer is about half of what it was in the 1950s. This loss of ice not only affects marine life but also contributes to further global warming. Ecosystems are undergoing drastic changes due to rising temperatures. Species are being forced to migrate to cooler habitats or face extinction. Warming has also altered the timing of flowering events and lengthened growing seasons, disrupting the natural cycles. Agricultural productivity is on the decline. Increased temperatures, erratic rainfall, and extreme drought are reducing crop yields. This decline threatens future food security, posing a significant risk to global populations. Warmer temperatures have led to more intense and frequent rainfall events in some regions, causing devastating floods. Meanwhile, other areas suffer from extreme droughts due to higher evaporation rates, severely impacting water availability. Surface water temperatures are warming, particularly in shallow oceans. This has already resulted in the death of about a quarter of the world's coral reefs over the past few decades. Similarly, rising temperatures in large lakes have led to increased algal blooms and a proliferation of invasive species. The ocean's chemistry is changing as it absorbs more carbon dioxide, becoming more acidic. This acidification hampers the survival of marine life, particularly species that rely on calcium carbonate for their shells and skeletons. Human health is directly affected by warmer temperatures. Increased heat waves lead to more deaths, and higher temperatures also enable the spread of vector-borne diseases, like malaria and dengue fever, into new regions. Every sector of our society will feel the impacts of climate change. From agriculture and health to infrastructure and economy, no area will remain untouched. The evidence is clear and compelling. Climate change is real, and it's happening now. The time for debate has passed. The time for action is now. Each one of us has a role to play in combating this global crisis. Together, we can work towards a sustainable future, where the Earth can continue to thrive for generations to come.